All right, hello everyone. So let's take a look at what we've got. This is gold. We're at the tops again here. Now, as you can see, this PST breakout is here, and we do have a swing day, which was yesterday, and today is also not yesterday. Monday was a swing day. That's your Monday market going up. We talked about going up to the weekly and the daily, so that's fine. Market broke out on Monday, so Tuesday, Wednesday, we're here. Wednesday is also a swing day, as you know, which might bring us down into this zone a little bit. I've already posted the swing hours. This is it. Okay, here we are. As you can see, the market's done a sweep here. That's your swing hour here. Okay, so we might see the market pushing further up. Impulse wave, market going sideways. The first hour was there. That's just 6:30. And then we've got 10:30 coming up here. All right, so we'll see how that pans out. What can you do with this? Yesterday I've marked these zones in. You can still wait for the pullback into the green zone, just under the 37 on the daily. This is your LCL1, 2,453, which is just above there. All right, so that was a bit lower yesterday and Monday. So there you go. All right, and the green zone I've marked in yesterday with your price still at 2,436, which is enough to cover that candle there. Okay, if it comes back, whoopsie daisy there. All right. So other than that, the market still has potential to go up, as you can see. So if it does pull back down, going up again, I think is okay. If I take a look at Wednesday, yeah, it might be a juicy day today. All right, so now the good times to trade for this is going to be 10:30 possibly. And then we might have a flow day, so you have to be careful. If it does, it'll take us all the way into New York, all right, and then continue in New York as well. Plus, you got news coming out today and tomorrow. Okay, so we're gonna have to play both sides basically on this. So if we dip down, there's also room to go further up because of the breakout of the PST on the weekly. We're creeping up here, as you can see. Now then, let's take a look at the euro dollar. Euro dollar daily, here we are. Now remember on this one as well, euro dollar, we had Monday, Tuesday, swing day. That's your Monday, Tuesday. All right, so market going up. I said this was a bit tricky because it was right in between levels, but I did say the market should have a target of value we had up there. Yesterday, it was that one, I think. So in any case, we had levels up there yesterday, and you can see it just went all the way past up there. And I did say this is a sideways market. I said if it does break out on the pullback, you can go long. If you did so, you should have been okay going all the way in there. As you can see, there are a bunch of gaps there. Do you want to muck around with this? Good question. It's got room to go up. As you know, we did change our bias to long, okay, when this triangle broke out. So going long, I guess, is okay. It didn't come back to fill in this gap, so it should still do that sooner or later. I'm just going to draw this down here because we should tap into this green zone again. Okay, and if it does, it's going to be our call to buy. So it hasn't done it yet, but if you do want to buy, then you're going to have to wait till 0944 at least. If you want to buy at 0944, it's down here. All right. Even the weekly pivot is also okay since there's a gap there. SP 500, Yesterday that also went up. These were the swing hours, as you can see. Once the market breaks out, as you can see, it just goes. And I did say you can follow this onto the closing. I gave the closing hours as a target, and that's where it went to as well. I think that's what I said anyway. Okay, now what to do? Now with the SP 500, remember Tuesday and Wednesday were a swing day. So that's just Tuesday, Wednesday. So today might have a sell day. This was a zone, the blue bar, plus these two levels were what we were expecting anyway. So that's done. We can now get rid of these. Okay. So now it's going to depend on the news. So there's a PST breakout here. And on the weekly, got the market going up. So we still have a bit more maybe room to go up. I don't know about selling against that move. I would wait for the market to stabilize, or it depends on the news. Okay. Now, because the market has got some stuff coming with the news as well, I'm just checking. If you're going to trade indices, I guess you could do so on the pullbacks or the breakouts happening at 4:05, 5:50, 5 minutes past 6, and around 6:20, 30. Because it's going to be pretty energetic. It's not a bad day to trade, actually. Okay, if you get direction, it should take you like a long way. Okay, so this could be a good day to trade. All right. So I'd wait for the news if you're going to trade indices. If you really think about it, disruption. Let me just double check here. 8. Yeah, this is not bad as well. So I've got 8:15. 6:45. Let me just double check here. 6:45 is there. And then you should have 10:30 here. So if the market is at highs around here, it might also sell off a little bit. But there are no gaps here, so I'd be careful. It's a bit tricky. Do I want to stand against the PST breakout? That target is all the way up at 5758. All the way up there. Okay, you're just going to have to wait till New York session for this one, I guess. All right. Once we get direction, though, it should go until closing again. It should go till 10:40 to closing. So in the New York session, you're going to look for a direction, and that's about it. Let's take a look at Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and Bitcoin. Okay, here's Dow Jones. That's the target we were talking about. So it's done that target there. As you can see, yesterday it touched it. Up daily move. That's your goodbye kiss. Possibly a little bit more room to go up there. And on the weekly, you can still push up. So what can we do with this? Also has no gaps. It might just keep pushing up. If it does come back down into the daily pivot zone, this was not a bad trade yesterday. Right on our 115, 140 zone. And the pullback, 530, about 330 would have been for 330 breakout there. Yeah, this was actually quite good. We could have done this yesterday too. Rightio. So this has got room to go up still. Okay, we still go up with this one. So this could really keep pushing, fill in all the gaps, and then we'll see how it pans out. Alright, because we have a breakout here. We've got targets at the top. There's no joy in selling against that. This is like a buy situation. Right, we're on Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday. As you can see, Tuesday was a swing day for this one. Nice and easy, big day. And this has got room to push. Okay, so on a pullback, if there is one, at a swing hour, you can keep pushing. There are no gaps, you can even keep pushing from here. Okay, where the opening, closing is. Let's take a look at NASDAQ, probably the same kind of thing. Right here as well, the same kind of thing. Okay, so this is an hour chart. Let's do 15. This is a nice breakout on the 1 hour as well. So market also can push on this one, just keep going. Let's take a look at the daily. This was a zone. I did say this bar would be tap-in zone, and there's your good buy kiss up here. So maybe yeah, around here it's not a bad place to. Let me see if it's done. Still got targets to go up. Tricky. Today, tomorrow, swing day. So Tuesday, Wednesday. And that's a break, there. Alright, if it does come back down here to close any gaps, we can go long. Today, if the market keeps pushing up today, this is going to be a zone to sell off. Okay, so if we do make a high, because the swing day is a Wednesday, could keep pushing high into Wednesday and then sell off into Friday or sell off on Friday. Alright, so you're going to have to be careful on this one. This is still a sell zone where the market sold heavy, and that's just how it is. Okay, so we're going to have to look for a spot. But today, if it pulls back first, we go up. So this is what you can do. If we come down first, you can push up. If it keeps going up, then you're going to have to wait till the end of the session. This is for all of them. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Now then. Okay, with Bitcoin, remember we had a breakout. So I said it's good to follow through. You can still buy this into here. So yesterday I did say you can buy the lows as well if it comes down. If you did, you should be okay. You should have been okay if you did. Okay. Swing hours yesterday. There you go. Alright, so that's one of them. 130, 145. Buying the lows. Pretty much it. And then pushing up. Okay. And on your daily, I did mark in those levels. So this still has a bit of room to go up. A, B, C. I did say this could be a B and a C, so no dramas there. Plus with Bitcoin, Monday was a swing day, so Monday it made the low. I think on Monday it made the low. Yes, Monday made the low. Tuesday retesting and then going up. So if you bought the lows and if you bought again yesterday to go up, you should have been in the money. This still has a bit of room to go up into there. This looks a bit more clear, as you can see. Impulse, ABC, flag formation. So going up is logical into that goodbye kiss zone there. Okay. And that's about it. So this zone is okay to get in. Plus 46 on your price. 59,678. 59,678, pull back. Or you can just go in because it has broken out. What targets have you got? All the way up to there. Okay, which is including 63, 180, and plus, I think, let's see what I've got, 55, 62, 700, 64, 300, 63, 109. Okay, so those are the zones you can push up into.